Hi everyone! Today we're gonna make a Play-Doh. Let me show you guys what we're gonna need it. We need flour, lemon juice, salt, vegetable oil, food coloring, and water. We're gonna add 6 tablespoons of lemon. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. And remember, the water has to be warm, no hot. Okay? Flour. I put 2 cups of flour. And then we add salt. I'm mixing the salt with the flour. And then you add the water, no hot. Just warming and mix. When the dough gets like this, then we're gonna put it on the table, and we're gonna knead it. Okay, I'm gonna use paints. Let's see if they're gonna work. Gonna add some brown and some dark one. You add more color. I think this is fine. We got 2 shapes of brown. One a little bit darker, and this one. Now look, it's good. Now we're gonna do the green one. I want a little bit of dark green, so we're gonna put 1 drop of blue.
Now we're gonna make our Play-Doh into a tree and some branches and leaves. So what first we need to do is we're gonna have to get a piece of your Play-Doh and you're gonna want to roll it out. And this will be our trunk of our tree. So now that my Play-Doh is all nice and rolled out, now we're gonna turn this piece into the trunk. So we're gonna push it down to make it flat. And we're going to want the middle area a bit thinner than the rest. So now that it's done, we will be making our branches. So we need a small piece for the branches. You just want to roll it out to make it look like a branch. I'm rolling out one of my branches I'll be using. So the branches, you don't want them to be too thick or too thin. So then I'm going to put it right here. You just want to pat it down a little bit so it doesn't become too big over the tree. Okay, now we'll be making our leaves for the tree. the leaves on my tree. Here you guys, take a closer look of how it turns out before it's baked.
Now we're gonna bake the tree. For you guys can preheat your oven 350 like for 15 minutes.
We just took it out of the oven, and this is how you can tell it's finished. You're able to hold it up and the Play-Doh won't break or do anything. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed seeing me.
Hey everyone, the recipe is gonna be in our Google Classroom. And remember to send us pictures if you guys make it, the branch. And see you guys next week. Bye!